Some of you may have noticed this source directory appearing in my projects. In it, you'll find an MD file that contains most of the code for the current project. Going forward, you'll also find custom instructions. Use these files to quickly and easily configure most popular AI LLMs to become instant experts in that software package.
Here I thought you were some kind of programming guru.
Between you and me, I haven't written a line of code in over a year. I'm not sure I'd remember how. Hey, do me a favor and edit that part out. I probably shouldn't have said it into a live microphone.
No problem, pal.
You'll find my Pi to MD repository on GitHub. Looks like a few people have forked it already. If you make some improvements on it, let me know. I'm always happy to take credit for other people's work. Actually, edit that out too. I wouldn't want people to think I'm a dick.
Oh no, we wouldn't want that.
Not your thing, cool, take a hike. Otherwise, subscribe and like to AI Tips with Jay. AI Tips with Jay. Hooray! AI Tips with Jay.
AI Tips with Jay is a copyrighted production of j.gravel.us. All rights reserved by
AI Tips with Jay.